What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton Merrill, and well, I'm the host of this channel. Alright guys, today's random fact, well, we're just gonna go off of whatever's on my mind. Pennies are actually not made out of copper, they're made out of milk. Random fact of the day. Alright guys, so as you can see by the thumbnail, we have all of these little things. So yes, I can tell you that a lot of those are pennies. I have a lot more in my house. I just grabbed a handful of them, and we ended up getting, I think this is, hold up, let me count. Oh my goodness. We have 10, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, so we have like $23 here, $22, $23 here. I actually wasn't paying attention. We have a lot of money right here, at least in change. So today's video is just how to make some extra cash, you know, because who doesn't need extra cash? I mean, and I'm pretty sure no billionaires are watching my video. If you are, well, good for you. Make sure to drop a like down below if you do like this video, and yeah, thank you. I want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching my videos lately. I've been looking at that thing the whole time. Goodness gracious. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I am wearing a beanie for probably the first time ever, actually. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm wearing it correctly. I know that the sign is back here and it's supposed to be like up here, but you know, we're just going to leave that one for another time. Alright guys, so some tips to making some extra money. Alright, so this money all right here, hold up, actually, minus 2, and then that one, and then that piece of hair. Alright, so this, I just took away $7.50. So all this, I don't get very many dimes, so yeah. But that minus $7.50 is how much I've made off of just collecting old change from the past. Let's see, I think I started doing this in November actually, so that's been 2 months and I've gotten like 30 bucks in change, which now necessarily isn't, you know, a lot of money, but it is just random money, you know. And it is a constant, that's for sure. I'd say I get like maybe like 50 cents a week. I just dropped it. Made me look stupid on camera. That's okay, I do that by myself. I get probably 50 cents a week. Dude, twice. Probably get 50 cents a week. Sometimes more, you know, depending on what kind of, you know, if it's nickels or dimes or quarters. But yeah, that's pretty much how you make an extra money. Some tips are honestly, like, you know, I've seen plenty of people that walk around and like, oh, there's a penny, you know, just whatever. But when I see a penny, I run over, I pick it up. You know, if it's like dirty or like water or like nasty stuff, I don't pick it up, I don't touch it. Unless I have like gloves on me, which I never carry gloves on me because who carries gloves on them just because? I mean, it doesn't snow here, so I don't need gloves. And I don't have a job where I wear gloves, so it's not really a necessity for me, so yeah. Usually I'll find quarters just randomly laying in like the floor or at my work even, or just like under a table, or even in my house. I find like dollar bills in my house. I don't really touch them just because my mom would kill me, but sometimes I do take pennies from the floor just because, you know, my sisters are pretty confusing. Not confusing. What's the word? Not confusing. What word am I trying to use? That's nice. They're pretty lazy. That's the word. They're pretty lazy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, guys, just pick up old freaking change. Just pick up the old change, guys. I was gonna bring out the dollar bills that I have found. I found about 30, 40 bucks in the past 4 months, maybe 3 months. Probably since like October. Well, I mean, that was all change that I turned into dollar bills. So I probably gotten like 80 bucks in the past few months. which honestly isn't that good, but for a little kid, that's really good. For a kid, that's good too. Now we're gonna talk about my uploading schedule. So right here we have my book of greats. It says Cold Merrill, heck yeah. And then I have a few pages of just, you know, random stuff that I need to be talking about and making videos about. So we're gonna talk about the upload schedule now, just because that's something that needs to be said, and I'm gonna be following it from now on. So that's not the upload schedule. There's the upload schedule. All right, we found it. Okay, guys, so I will be uploading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is 6 days a week for now, until, you know, we gain traction, or, you know, if I change schools or whatever. Like, whatever the case is, Thursdays will be my day off, just because that's a very busy day for me and my family. So, you know, good luck. Yeah, 6 days a week I think is pretty good. I mean, I would say that we could go to 7 days a week, you know, every single day, but I do need a day off. I do have school, I do have other things I need to do, I do have a business I need to run, you know, all these cool things that need to go on before any, what is this on my notebook? You know, before anything, chocolate. I have chocolate on my notebook, perfect. Yeah, that's honestly it for today's video, guys. Just a little bit of update on my nose. I'm pretty sure the fracture on my skull is still healing, just because it's sore. It really is sore, and I can't move. All right, that side doesn't hurt. That side still hurts a little bit, so I don't want to, you know, do anything bad to it. I don't want to hurt myself. But you know, it's healing. The doctor said I should be healed in a few weeks, actually. I think 2 weeks, maybe 1 week, maybe a week and a half. I really don't know. And I just picked off a sticky note that my dad probably needed. It's blank, but he needs all the sticky notes he can get, because, I don't know, he likes sticky notes, I guess. But, yeah, make sure you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Psych, you thought, alright guys, so, if you guys are still here, you guys are getting in on a special little thing that I have put together for you guys. Alright, so, hold up, I found it. I was eating pretzels a few minutes ago, and I lost one, and now I found it. All right, now my dad's not gonna be mad. Okay, guys, so if you guys are still here, you guys are gonna get on this little secret that nobody else is gonna know about, because it's only gonna be in this one video. All right, guys, if we can hit 2,000 subscribers by my birthday, I'm gonna have a huge giveaway, guys, and I'm talking huge. I'm talking big money right here. All right, and it's gonna be given away to multiple people, not just one, but multiple people. And all you have to do is click the subscribe button. All you gotta do is that. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm just kidding. See you guys, have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one.